Hey, what's up guys? It's John Kai, the Hawaii guy, with a tour of brand new builds here in Las Vegas. This particular construction is from a builder here in Las Vegas, Pardee Homes. I'll put the information in the show notes. And I like their product. Always been impressed with their product, the workmanship, the various styles of homes and architectural styles on the exterior as well as the interior. I'm indoors. I'm gonna take the mask off. I can't handle the mask, but anyway, it's the world we live in today. Wanted to show you this particular model and this community. Let's take a tour of this particular home. So this home is their Plan 1A. It's a two-story home, 2,014 square feet, not very large, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, a great room, 2-bay garage, and the base price is $406,500. It's a very open floor plan, as you can see. Dining, living, great room, all into the kitchen. So great for small families. And you have this exterior space. And this is definitely an upgrade with the sliding glass doors that open out into that backyard area. And you can see the exterior hardscaping, really nicely done. All those are extras, so don't get confused, don't get it twisted. It is not part of the base price, and neither are these decorations. I mean, this is, you gotta admit, these designers are just talented. I love what they can do with these spaces. But anyway, that's a nice space to gather, watch TV. I like the transom windows above, get some light in. Well-lit space, very open, I like that. And that's the entryway that we entered. Little closet there in the front, and then a powder room, a half bath, if you will. And stairway that goes up to the second level. Let's take a walk up. So on the second level, you have this nice landing area. Kind of regroup to figure out where you're going next. Obviously, that's the master bedroom straight ahead, and the secondary bedroom's there. Upstairs laundry. Bedroom 2. Nicely decorated. And it connects to a Jack and Jill bath. I like the modern touches. And bedroom 3. So this one looks like it's been used as an office. Nice corner windows, get a lot of natural light coming in here. So again, a Jack and Jill bathroom, laundry room, back out to the second floor landing area. And let's take a look at the master. Good sized master. I love the beams, all the windows. Let's take a look at the bathroom here. Sure, it's spectacular. Walk-in closet, good size, large, and large bathroom. So stand-in shower, I like it. The vanity and the throne room. Look at that detail on the backsplash on that shower wall. So you have 2 shower heads, a rain head, and one up above the seating bench. Really nice. I like it. I could live here, definitely. So this is a base model, $406,500. That's the master. Look at that good sized room. Right back out to the landing area. And we'll go back downstairs. It's very nice. Perfect home for, for 2 to 4 people. Small family, I like it. And that is model Plan 1A, 2,014 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, a great room, 2-bay garage, and base price of $406,000. Tell me what you think. I'm gonna leave some information in the show notes so you can visit the website and do a virtual tour. If you'd like to see this in person, give me a call. I'm your guy, John Kai, the Hawaii guy. Talk to you later. Aloha.